Want to know how to sign up or create an account in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you have MoonPay installed on your Android or iPhone and make sure it's open. So we have also created a video on how to download it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, here you should be on this button right here or this screen. So just simply select continue under trade all with MoonPay. So just simply select it in order to sign up, and once that is done, here you can see sign in with MoonPay. So you can just simply select your email address or just simply sign in with Google, just like this right here. So I would suggest to just go sign in with Google, as if you haven't signed up yet, you should automatically be able to do it. And that's it, super simple and easy. Just simply select continue as your account and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and join me with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.